Why are your Instagram accounts getting blocked even when you're doing everything right? If you rely on automation or manage multiple accounts, action blocks can silently disrupt your growth. Let's dive into why they happen and how to fix and prevent them so your Instagram operations stay seamless. What is an Instagram action block? An Instagram action block happens when the platform temporarily restricts you from performing certain actions, such as liking and commenting on posts, following new accounts, or sending messages. When this happens, you usually see a pop-up notification that says action blocked or something similar. From that moment, you can no longer use Instagram as usual. Think of it as Instagram's way of putting your account in timeout. The app usually does this when it detects behaviors that seem suspicious, spammy, or in violation of Instagram's community guidelines. But sometimes you may also get this error message even if you haven't done anything wrong. Now, let's go through the main types of action blocks you might come across. Temporary action block, which can last up to 24 hours, usually from overusing a feature or breaking guidelines. Action block without an expiration date, which can last from hours to weeks. Action block with an expiration date, which shows exactly when it will expire, usually within 24 to 48 hours, often due to using third-party services for likes or followers. And permanent Instagram action block, which blocks the account for life after repeated issues or reports. But why does Instagram block actions? Let's break down the most common causes. Exceeding hourly or daily action limits. Instagram limits how many likes, comments, follows, and unfollows an account can do per hour or day. So if you're running automated workflows or heavy engagement, hitting these limits can trigger an action block. The tricky part is that the exact thresholds aren't public and vary by the account's age and activity. Using a new account. That's right, newer accounts usually face stricter limits. Instagram wants to see consistent, authentic behavior before giving more freedom. Violating Instagram's community guidelines. Breaking Instagram's rules can also get you blocked. This includes posting inappropriate content, using banned or controversial hashtags, and sharing misinformation or hateful content. Remember, violations on one account can affect other accounts linked to the same IP address. Being too active. Posting too much in a short period can trigger an action block since Instagram may flag it as spammy behavior. A good rule of thumb is to post 3 to 7 times per week, enough to keep your audience engaged without raising blocks. Being too inactive. Did you know that low Instagram activity can also cause problems? The fewer your actions, the fewer your limits. So a surge in activity can look very suspicious. Spamming in DMs or comments. Promoting your page by sending the same DM over and over. Posting identical public posts. Leaving the same comment on multiple posts or adding promotional link under other users' content is considered spammy behavior. This can lead to other people reporting your account or getting an Instagram action block. Misusing automation and multi-accounting. Improper use of automation tools or managing several accounts under the same IP can appear suspicious, leading to action blocks. So, how to fix Instagram action block? Once you identify that you're dealing with this problem by seeing any of these error messages, you can try the following Instagram action block fixes. Take a short break. Pause liking, commenting, saving posts, or sending DMs for 1 to 3 days. Think of it as giving your account a cool down period, so Instagram starts linking your account to normal behavior. Reinstall the Instagram app. Delete and reinstall the app to clear cookies and cached data that might be causing the block. This way you can also make sure you're running the latest version, which can fix unexpected glitches. Switch your connection. If the block you're dealing with is IP-based instead of account-based, switch to mobile data or a different Wi-Fi network to see if that helps. You can also try to log in from another device to help bypass a temporary IP restriction. Report the block. Think you've been Instagram action blocked by mistake? mistake, report the problem by using the Tell Us option on the action block message, or do it manually from settings. Link your Instagram account to Facebook. If you still haven't done this, now is the right time to do it. Connect your Instagram to Facebook or other social platforms to help Instagram verify that you're a real user and not a bot. This adds credibility and can reduce the risk of future blocks. Fixing a block is important, but for multi-account and automated workflows, avoiding it is crucial. Here's how to prevent Instagram action block and keep your operations seamless. Take it slow and gradually increase your actions, especially on new or inactive accounts. Engage authentically by mixing like, comments, and story posts to mimic real user behavior. Follow Instagram's community guidelines and avoid prohibited content or banned hashtags. And use reliable residential proxies when managing multiple accounts or automating Instagram activities to distribute activity across different IPs and reduce the risk of blocks. By understanding the causes, applying the right Instagram block recovery steps, and following best practices for safe activity, you can keep your Instagram workflows running reliably and avoid costly disruptions. If your Instagram operations rely on multi-account management or automation at scale, IPRoyal can help. Our team will help you design a proxy infrastructure that keeps your workflows stable, seamless, and built to grow.